sepsis can be a serious matter. We are concerned about a decrease in blood pressure, and we also need to monitor the heart.
Former President Bill Clinton's aide said that at some point on Tuesday, as he was about to go to an event here in Southern California, he started feeling fatigued. He was checked into this hospital. The doctors here underscoring that the infection he is battling is not related to COVID or his heart condition. New images of Hillary Clinton leaving the UC Irvine Medical Center in Southern California, where her husband, former President Bill Clinton, is hospitalized, being treated in the ICU for a blood infection, also known as sepsis. Doctors at UC Irvine Medical Center are stressing Clinton's diagnosis is not related to COVID and is not related to his history of heart disease. According to the hospital, Clinton was given an IV and is responding well to antibiotics. It's the latest health scare for the 75-year-old since leaving office. He had quadruple bypass surgery in 2004 and a pair of stents implanted in 2010. Clinton telling ABC News in 2004 that his health problems stemmed from a bad diet, a busy work schedule, and ignoring warning signs.
Maybe if I'd stayed on a lower fat diet, maybe if I had not eaten so many hamburgers and steaks, which I love. Maybe if I'd, had slightly less stress in my life. I worked as hard since I left office as I did when I was there. Maybe it would have been different.
Right now, there is not a vote scheduled on mixing and matching vaccines, but today we expect plenty of debate about whether it's safe and effective. So far, the early data has been promising. The FDA panel will, however, vote on a recommendation for Johnson & Johnson booster shots, another potential tool in fighting this pandemic. This after that same advisory panel voted Thursday to recommend Moderna boosters for millions of Americans.
We do have a unanimous 19 out of 19 yes votes, and that concludes the voting portion.
The group includes anyone 65 and older, 18 and older with underlying health conditions, and those at high risk of exposure to the virus at work. Studies show the Moderna vaccine has remained highly effective against severe illness and hospitalization, but waning slightly when it comes to protecting against those more mild breakthroughs. The company saying its booster will only require a half dose to restore protection.
What we're trying to do is bring your immunity up to the point when you were first vaccinated, and essentially these boosters will do that trick.
The FDA and CDC still need to sign off on Moderna boosters, which could come by late next week. But with 66 million eligible Americans still unvaccinated, battles over vaccine mandates heating up. State officials in Maine warning fired healthcare workers who refuse to get vaccinated won't be eligible for unemployment benefits. And in Chicago, the city preparing to stop pay for police officers who failed to report their vaccination status by today.